Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have upgrade for Mercedes-Benz owners. We're talking about the wireless CarPlay Retrofit Kit Decoder module. So what exactly is this module? Simply put, it brings wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your Mercedes-Benz without replacing your original screen. That's right, you don't need a new display, and there's no complicated modification of your vehicle's wiring. The kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing system, keeping all your original functions intact. This includes steering wheel controls, knob controls, backup cameras, and even 360-degree camera functionality. Installation is straightforward. You remove the dashboard, connect the module to your car's original CD host using the supplied wiring harness, and attach the Wi-Fi antenna and LVDS cable. There's no need to cut or modify your car's original cables, which means the integrity of your vehicle remains untouched. Once installed, you can enjoy wireless access to Siri, Apple Maps, Music, Waze, Sygic, iTunes, Apple Music, and more. Android users also get full support for Android Auto, whether wired or wireless. One of the standout features is camera support. The module works with both factory and aftermarket reversing cameras, parking radar, 360-degree cameras, and front-view DVRs via CVBS input. Essentially, if your car had a camera function before, it will continue to work flawlessly, now enhanced by CarPlay and Android Auto. The kit comes complete with the module itself, a Wi-Fi antenna, and the power and LVDS wiring harnesses needed to get everything up and running. The product is designed to be plug-and-play, so while the dashboard needs to be open for connection, you won't need professional tools or expertise beyond basic car disassembly. Overall, this wireless CarPlay Retrofit Kit Decoder module is an elegant solution for Mercedes owners looking to modernize their infotainment system without losing any of the luxury and functionality of their original setup. It activates wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, retains all factory controls, and supports both original and aftermarket camera functions. If you're looking for a seamless way to integrate modern smartphone functionality into your older Mercedes, this module is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you in the next video.